I've been really curious about what's the name Kajabi all about. So I've been using the platform, I think it's about 9 months now. And you know how it's one of those questions you're curious about, but it just takes you a little bit of time to, research it when you're thinking of it. Like I've thought of it heaps of times, but I'm not near a computer or not able to research it. So anyway, I did a little bit of research. Now, I don't feel I've got to the bottom of the full story, but I think I've got most of the story. So, hi, Fleur Allen here. Welcome back to my channel. My business is called Ask Fleur, and I'm a success coach. I use the online platform called Kajabi, which is designed specifically for coaches, consultants, creators. And I identify with all of those descriptions. But the reason why finding out the meaning behind a name is important to me is because my name is Fleur, and I know that there's a whole story as to why my family called me Fleur. I know it's French for flower. My family are not French. And I've grown up with this story, and knowing the meaning of my name means flower, which is really beautiful. And I feel really blessed. Now I feel blessed. I can tell you when I was young, Fleur was not such an easy name to grow up with in Australia, or probably anywhere outside of France. Anyway, that's another story for another time. But I'm delighted I've kind of grown into my name, I think. But I'm amazed how many people that I've met, particularly young people. I used to be a teacher, and I used to tell the story of how I know the meaning of my name. And there was kids who was like, well, I don't know what my name means, when I'd say that's a beautiful name, or it's an unusual